What up? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy norbertferrell back at again with another video. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and notification bell for every time I drop a new video. Like the video, it really helps the algorithm out, man. And follow me on Instagram at norbertferrell_styles. So today, I know that everybody had, a lot of people caught the cool grades. A lot of y'all kids going back to school when y'all cool grades. And y'all gotta stand out with them because everybody got them. So I just want to show y'all 3 different ways to lace your Air Jordan 11s. So I seen this one on Instagram. I thought this was unique, as y'all can see. As y'all got the laces going over into the slot hole for the cool grades. We got the lock lace. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then we just got the regular way. So I'm just walk through these bad boys, show y'all how to do this and lace your 11s in 2022. So let's get it. So you want to take your lace and put them through these bottom little loops and make sure they even at the top. You know what I'm saying? Make sure they're a little loose on this cool gray. So let me go ahead and put these together like this. And then you gotta make sure they even. And then just stretch them out to make them kind of loose. You feel me? So we're gonna just lace them up at the top. Just lace them up to the top. Not to the top, but to the second little, you know what I'm saying? Little loose loop. So. And make sure they kind of loose too. You don't want them too tight going up because your lace is gonna be hitting the ground when you get to the top. You know what I'm saying? So lay the thing up. You feel me? Lace these things up. See, they still even. Alright, bet. Alright. Just make sure they loose. You don't want them too tight, you know? You know what I mean? So, lace this thing up like this here. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go over. And you can see it right here. You can go down on this top right there, go down like this. Now the top gonna be a little loose, so just make sure it's still loose a little bit. You know what I'm saying? When you put your shoe in, you want this kind of loose. And then the other side, you're gonna go around, you're gonna do the same thing. And make sure it's kind of that loose. So hold on, go around this way. As y'all can see, just like that. So that little loose way. You know what? I might do it on feet. Yeah, I'm gonna do it on feet with all 3 of these at the end. So that's the first way. All right, let's get to the next one. You know what I'm saying? Put your laces through. On this side, make sure they all even. You feel me? Make sure they all even. So I like to put them together like that. And then just bring them thing to the top. You know what I mean? Just like that. I like to have this little loose. I'll just flat these little flaps out. You know what I'm saying? So with this, when you cross them, so you're gonna cross. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna cross them up like that. So basically I'm gonna just do it again. So instead of just going to the other side with this, going to the other side and going through, and going to the other side and going through, basically this gonna still go on this side and this gonna still go on this side. So you gonna cross them, cross your laces, just like that. And this one gonna go through here, like that. And then this one gonna go through this way, like that. So let me lay this down. So that's how it's gonna be. So we can do the other ones. You feel me? So I'm just show it to the camera. You see the little lace, lock lace. All right. So we're gonna do it again. So we're gonna cross it again. Boom. Just like that. And then put it through this little latch, and then put this one through. Boom. Do it again. Put it through that. And put it through that. And at the top, you do whatever you want to do with it. You know what I'm saying? And when we get to the top, we'll show. I'll just do something. I don't know what I'm going to do. But you see what I'm saying? Just lock that thing up like that. And I ain't going to go. I don't know if I should go all the way to the top. I don't like to go all the way to the top of my 11s and tie them up to the top. That's just me, my personal preference. You might do something different, and that's okay. Do whatever you want. You feel me? That's why I might talk about that. Do whatever you want. Folks be like, oh, this dead, this dead. But yeah, you see at the top right here. So you can basically I just tie it up. You do whatever you want at the top. You know what I'm saying? And I might just do a little, just like that. And there you go, a little lock method. So the way I got is pretty easy, it's pretty simple. You know what I'm saying? I didn't tie it all up all the way. I just, you know, tied it up to the lace the regular way. You know what I'm saying? So basically, if you got it already tied up the regular way, you can just take it off the top. If it comes to you got it at the top, you just put it at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? And you just gonna lock it up in the middle. So what you gonna do is bring these two together like this. You see it? Bring these two together. You're gonna put your finger like that. Put two of your fingers together. I wanna say, yeah, your index finger, your middle finger. I think that's the index finger, yeah. And you're gonna put it under, you're gonna wrap it around here, just like that. And then you're gonna put in between like a knot, you know what I'm saying? So, put in between like that. And then, just tighten that thing. Some might be tighter, some might be looser, you feel me? So I just got it like that. And I could have made it tighter, you know, but I just did it like that for this video. So as y'all can see, just a little lock method, and it should be up more. You feel me? So let's see that one. I guess something like this. I did the other shoe. So, something like that. So yeah, that's another way. Just a basic way, regular way, you feel me? So let's get to the on feet for all three. That's all I got for y'all, man. Hey, let me know in the comments what y'all think about the what 3 ways to lace the Jordan 11s. Which one is y'all favorite? Which one y'all thinking about rocking? You know what I'm saying? And make sure y'all subscribe, watch the video through, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just doing my thing out here, trying to do it up. You feel me? So, yeah, man. That's all I got for y'all, and I'm out. Peace.